Hello, friends. Welcome to Oxford, the city of dreaming spires. Today, we are diving into one of the most historic and magical destinations in the United Kingdom. And guess what? It's December. The festive vibes are in full swing, making it the perfect time to explore. From iconic landmarks like the Radcliffe Camera and the Bodleian Library to the cozy Christmas market, Oxford is simply irresistible this time of year. Oh, and the best part? Everything we are about to see is within walking distance. So lace up your shoes, grab a warm drink, and let's uncover the magic of Oxford together. Our first stop is the Radcliffe Camera, one of Oxford's most iconic landmarks. This majestic building is a true architectural marvel and serves as a reading room for the Bodleian Library. Just look at those grand circular columns and the dome against the winter sky. It feels like stepping into a fairy tale. During December, the square surrounding the Radcliffe Camera feels even more enchanting with festive lights sparkling in the distance. Don't forget to snap some photos here. This is the Oxford's postcard perfect spot. Next, let's step into the Bodleian Library, one of the oldest libraries in Europe. With over 12 million printed items, it's an absolute treasure trove for book lovers. While you can't touch the books, a guided tour of the library is a must to appreciate its grand halls, medieval vibes, and fascinating history. Fun fact, parts of Harry Potter were filmed here. So, yes, this place is pure magic for both history buffs and Potterheads alike. Just around the corner is the University Church of St. Mary the Virgin. This historic gem offers one of the best views of Oxford. Inside, the church is equally breathtaking, with its Gothic architecture and peaceful ambience, a perfect place to reflect amidst the holiday hustle. Climb its tower for the best panoramic views of Oxford. The sight of Oxford spires peeking through the winter mist is simply unforgettable. No trip to Oxford is complete without seeing the Bridge of Sighs, officially known as the Hertford Bridge. This architectural beauty connects two parts of Hertford College. Its design was inspired by the iconic bridge in Venice, but Oxford gives it its own magical twist. During December, the bridge looks especially dreamy with a light dusting of frost or festive decorations nearby. It's one of those places that makes you fall in love with Oxford all over again. Time to slow things down. Let's escape the hustle bustle of the city centre and take a peaceful stroll along the Oxford Canal. The canal's towpaths are perfect for a winter walk with crisp air, reflections on the water, and occasional narrowboat passing by. It's a serene spot to unwind and soak in the quieter side of Oxford. And if you are feeling adventurous, you can even rent a narrowboat for a unique experience. Next on our list is the Ashmolean Museum, the world's first university museum and a treasure trove of art and artifacts. From ancient Egyptian mummies to contemporary masterpieces, there's something for everyone here. In December, the museum often hosts festive events and special exhibitions, so be sure to check the schedule. Plus, it's a great indoor stop to warm up and dive into centuries of history. As we wander through Oxford's cobblestone streets, you will notice the charm of the city's old world architecture mixed with the buzz of holiday season. Oxford streets are like stepping into the Dickensian novel. From quaint shops to historic pubs, every corner is packed with character. Grab a hot chocolate or mulled wine from one of the local cafes and let the Christmas spirit take over as you explore these magical streets. High Street and Corn Market Street are particularly lively, with twinkling lights, bustling shops, and street performers adding to the festive cheer. And now, the highlight of any December trip to Oxford, the Christmas market. Located on Broad Street, this market is a winter wonderland filled with wooden chalets offering everything from handmade crafts to delicious festive treats. Indulge in some mince pies, sip on spiced mulled wine, and enjoy live music that fills the air with holiday joy. It's the perfect way to end a day of exploring Oxford. Don't forget to pick up a souvenir or two to remember your trip. Wow, what a day! One day, countless memories. From iconic landmarks like the Radcliffe Camera or Bridge of Sighs to the festive magic of the Christmas market, Oxford in December is an experience like no other. It's a dream destination that combines history, beauty, and festive cheer. For quick reference, I have added the map to show these locations are walkable and can be covered in a day. Which spot are you most excited to visit? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your travel loving friends, and subscribe for more adventures around the world. Until next time, happy travels!